Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I deep clean my bathroom in a hurry. This is the bathroom that all 6 of my household members use, including myself, on a daily basis, anywhere from showers to using the bathroom, anything like that. So let's get started. Alright, so jumping right in, I'm going to be removing my shower curtain and shower curtain liner off of the curtain rod. I like to swap out my shower curtain liner pretty often because it gets pretty disgusting pretty fast, and this hasn't been swapped out in the 6 months that we've lived here, so it was really disgusting, as you can see. Absolutely gross. All right, so we are just going to continue. I'm going to go wash that shower curtain, get it a little more fresh. If you guys hear any background noise, I apologize. I'm outside with my little ones right now trying to get them some fresh air. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to be taking out all of the garbage, dull razors that we're not using anymore, empty shampoo, conditioner, body wash bottles, anything like that. And we're going to be taking that out of the shower and eliminating clutter. All right, and this is what my shower currently is looking like. My husband works in construction with some concrete, and my kids get filthy outside, so we are going to clean that right up. I'm starting by rinsing out the shower with some running water from my faucet just to kind of get all of the loose stuff down the drain. I pulled out a bunch of hair out of my drain. I am not going to say that was all mine, but I'm willing to bet that that was all mine. And we are going to start with some shower cleaner. I'm going to spray that all over the surfaces to get it soaking. All right, now we're going to continue with some Comet powder bleach. I don't usually use the lavender scent, but that just so happens to be the one they had at my store, so that's the one I used. And I honestly, not a lot of people will probably agree with this, but I use my toilet brush to clean my shower. I do bleach the toilet brush after and before I use it. However, it just seems to be the best thing to use in my shower with all of the grime and everything. It's got the hard bristles on it. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to scrub every orifice of this shower, from the shelving in there to the floor to the walls, everything like that, and make sure that everything is scrubbed off. All right, now we are moving into rinsing everything. Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. I'm just taking my cup that I had in there, filling it up with water and rinsing all of the surfaces that I just scrubbed to make sure all of the cleaner is properly off of the surfaces. now we are moving in to my countertop. I'm just going to be basically taking all of my shower stuff that I took out and putting it back, including the sponge hooks, the shampoo, conditioner, body wash, razors, everything like that, and just putting it back in the shower. All right, now we're gonna be kind of moving into just picking up all of the stuff on the counter. I usually try to start with picking up any trash and getting that out of the way, and just trying to clear as much as possible that doesn't belong there. I have this bucket right here, container, whatever you want to call it, where I keep all of my hair things for me and my girls. I have 4 toddler girls, so there's a lot of hair stuff, and there's a lot of things that we use for our hair to keep our hair looking nice. So we keep it all in this bin. I'm going to go put that bin away, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to clean up everything else on my countertop and get it put where it belongs, including any dirty laundry or anything like that. All right, next I'm going to start washing my mirror. I'm just using the Windex foaming cleaner with a microfiber towel. I find that that works the best in my house because we have a large dog, so there's a lot of dog hair that flies around, and the microfiber towel really helps to pick it all up. And then I have this plastic black shelf underneath my mirror that I just kind of spray Windex on and get that all cleaned up, make sure there's no dog hair or dust on there. And then I'm going to put that back. All right, and then we're gonna move into cleaning off the countertop. I'm just using that same shower cleaner. I believe it's the Kaboom, like tile and shower cleaner. And then I use the Scrub Daddy sponges. These things, this is the first time that I have been using them, and I will tell you, they are the greatest thing ever, and they're actually not that expensive, and they work really, really well. So I'm also using some of that powder Comet bleach in the sink because we have really hard water here. So I'm just kind of scrubbing that out, scrubbing down the counter. And then after that, I'm going to be going in and taking a microfiber towel again and just kind of wiping all that off. And then after that, I'm going to go in with a dry microfiber towel and kind of just dry everything up. All right, and then we're just gonna start putting everything back. I try to keep a soap and lotion next to the sink, put my toothbrushes and my contact solution away, and then we're gonna move on to the toilet. And I will tell you, this is my least fun portion of the bathroom. My daughter decided that on this particular day when I was going to do a cleaning video that it was the perfect day to let everything mellow. So I had to get rid of that first. And then I just go in with a typical toilet bowl cleaner and I start scrubbing out everything. I try to deep clean my bathroom probably at least twice a week simply because of the high traffic. It helps keep up on everything. And this is, believe it or not, after like 2 days of being outside with my kids, everything went downhill really fast. So yeah, I'm just gonna start cleaning all that up. All right, and we are finished. And now we are going to move on to the things that are sitting above my toilet, basically things that just got thrown up there from the kids or the husband or me, for that matter. I'm just gonna kind of put it into the storage part above my toilet. I'm not gonna go and rearrange my entire cupboards or anything like that as much as I want to. I just don't have time for that today, so I'm gonna take everything off of there, clear everything off, and then I'm going to start wiping it down to get rid of some of that dust and dirt and get that cleaned up, and then I'll put everything back. All right, now we're going to be moving into cleaning and kind of organizing these shelves that I have in this little cranny in my bathroom. This is where I keep like my extra toilet paper, my bedding for my kids. I have it very organized in there. As you can see, there's the blankets on the left, then the sheets and the pillowcases, and then typically underneath that I would have towels, hand towels, and washcloths. So I just kind of wanted to make sure that that was all organized and put nicely on there. And then I believe after this we are going to be jumping into sweeping. So after we get all of everything cleared out of the way, I'm just gonna kind of start picking up anything that's on the floor and then sweeping the floor. All right, and now you get to witness first-class footage of me getting very frustrated with my curtain because it flew in my face. And we're just going to keep on sweeping like it never happened and play it cool. And then I'm gonna bring my steam mop out. This is one of my key cleaning products that I use. It's the Shark steam mop. I got it from Walmart when it was on sale for like 30 bucks. It is the best investment I have made for cleaning my house. I just kind of spray some cleaner down on the ground before I start using it. I feel like it helps it to work a little bit better. I'm sorry about the wind. I know it's really loud. And I'm just going to steam mop my entire floor. Alright guys, and this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my first time making one of these kinds of videos, so I hope it wasn't absolutely dreadful to listen to, and I'll see you guys later.